Hello everyone, in this video I will show simple tips that may help you if you have an error when running or building a Flutter Android app that is caused by low memory. Although the error message sometimes not related, the tip is to disable the Gradle parallel setting in the Gradle.properties file. Just add or Gradle parallel false to your Gradle.properties file. You can also change Gradle JVM memory setting in JVM arc from value 4G. But please note, if you set it too low, your project may not run, and if you set too high, then it is pointless to disable Gradle parallel in the first place to lower Gradle memory. I hope this one simple tips can help you even a little bit.